So tomorrow marks 11 months. It'll be October 9th. Month 11 out on the road. And I think we're finally getting comfortable being uncomfortable. Living in small, really small quarters, coming from a 2-bedroom apartment with a garage, space to do work, into basically, I would say 20 square feet, maybe, not even that, and the rest storage. We cook, we clean, we eat, we sleep, we shit, we piss. Everything is done in there. We shower outside though. I got my Wi-Fi antenna up so I can do some work while we're out here or on the road. And we finally have gotten, I think, all the kinks out. We know how to do what we need to do to maintain sanity out here. This usually is filled with water running, gushing, but the rains and the monsoons were light this year, so we didn't get to experience such a bad monsoon season, but very dry. Now the winter's coming up, and we're comfortable out here, but pretty soon it's going to get uncomfortable again, and thinking about what the next move is. And been practicing a lot of manifesting out here. It's really odd being in the forest and the desert. Everything's quiet. All you have is your thoughts and no real noise around to break focus. So there's a lot of manifesting going on out here. When we were in quartzite, we had full sun a lot, and putting the panels out, we didn't get such good power to replenish our battery bank. So we were talking about how we should probably invest in a generator. And then we took a walk, our daily walk through the quartzite, and we went to the dump, and at the dump there was a brand new generator, the one that broke in the previous video. But it was free, and we got to use it for a good 4 months, and it worked perfect. It was fine. So, like I said, we were just talking about it, and there it was. And every time we'd take a walk, I would just say how weird quartzite felt. It felt like we were in some type of video game where anything you talk about appears, or anything you say happens. And we were talking about how we wanted to be in the trees and in the forest instead of being in the desert. And here we are. That happened. So we got here, set up camp, and filled up our fridge, and we wanted to stay up here longer and not have to take so many trips down to town. So Caitlin was saying, we need a bigger fridge. And fridges cost about $400, $300-$400. So yeah, we talked about that. She said, we just need it just a little bit bigger so we can fit a few more things in. And we took a walk down a dusty path in the forest, and lo and behold, a brand new ICO fridge sitting on the side of the road with a sign that says free. Manifesting just by saying things. And we walked up and it was a YouTuber's fridge that he got for a review that he didn't want anymore, so he just put it on the side of the road. But we walked up and he said, yeah, it's yours for the taking if you want. It works well, it's good. He's a YouTuber and he just did a review and he doesn't need it anymore. His name is Matty Van Halen, if you know of him. He was the guy that left a brand new fridge out there for us to pick up. So that happened, and a lot of other weird things happen. We'll say it, and either somebody repeats it, or we'll see it pop up. We'll see something, kind of like the universe giving us confirmation that it's hearing us. And so with that, I've been putting out a mantra for what I want for us next. And I don't want to say what it is on the tubes, because Buddha said, don't ever let anybody know what your plans are. So just keep watching and watch this journey unfold. And if it happens, you'll see it happen. And I'm not going to limit what I'm asking for. So let's see what happens. So anyways, this is a short update for our 11-month anniversary. We're just gonna hang out tonight and maybe cook some ramen noodles and then go to sleep. The sun's almost down. The sun goes down around 6:30 or 7 here, and once it's down, we're done. We're in bed and we go to sleep. And I've been waking up at 3 or 4 in the morning every morning, and so does Caitlin, and we'll sit and have conversations until we fall back asleep, and then wake up when the sun rises, and then we get our day going with a pot of coffee and a daily walk and another mantra of what we want to do next and where we want to go and what we want our lives to look like. And with the small confirmations of the refrigerator and the generator and all the other little things that I can't think of off the top of my head that have been confirmations that somebody's listening. And I do believe that we are connected to the higher self, and the higher self is listening. And if you keep that communication going, you can be better guided, because we pretty much came out here with a general plan, and we let everybody know what that plan was. And like the Buddha said, don't say what the plan is, and we said what the plan was, and it didn't happen. So I won't speak of it. Just watch. We'll see where it goes. And if you guys are liking the videos, if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're old to the channel, I hope you guys are enjoying the journey. It's not the exciting van life expeditions, but it's our real life journey. So I appreciate the new followers that showed up after my last video that I was talking about. We became homeless to avoid becoming homeless. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the comments. Thanks for all the suggestions. You guys are letting me know that putting these videos together is not just dust in the wind. I'm gonna get ready. We got a fire going, so I'm gonna make sure that this thing is out and get ready for bed, because I am so tired today. I don't know what it is. My energy is just down. But as of today, we're at 960 subscribers. I just need 40 more. I put a stupid video up earlier, a short, that probably is going to ruin everything, but whatever. We'll get there. And 1,000 subscribers. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's just a milestone, I guess. Been doing the van life YouTube for about 2 years now, and it took that long to get to where it's at. So whatever, we're all on our own path at our own speeds, and we're not competing with anybody, just competing with myself. So yeah, again, thank you for the new subscribers, and thank you for everybody that's been watching and leaving comments and showing your support just by hitting the like. It's free. Subscribing is free. Thanks for watching. Watch my other videos. Fire's going out. And I'll see you on the next one. Happy 11th.